I'm speaking with Novo Resources Executive Co-Chairman Mike Spreadborough. Mike, it's good to have you on the show.
Absolutely great to be here.
Now, for viewers that may not know the Novo story, let's talk a little bit about what you're exploring for. You've got a big portfolio in the Pilbara, a mineral-rich region. Tell us what you're looking for here.
Yeah, so Novo has been around for a while. We're listed on the TSX, so a lot of Australian audiences and ASX followers may not know us as well as other Pilbara kind of companies. I think the biggest thing about Novo is we've got a huge position in the Pilbara, 11,000 square kilometres. So it's actually a larger tenement base than a lot of iron ore miners. We're predominantly focused for gold, but in more recent times, we have been looking for nickel, copper, and lithium, and battery metals like everyone else. And we've definitely got some high priority nickel targets. And then on the other side, a couple of years ago, we bought the Golden Eagle processing plant from Millennium. We've used that to get the Beatons Creek conglomerate gold project into operation. So we've got that ability to move from explorer, developer, and producer.
Now, you're obviously one of the key leaders on the Novo board. Who else is joining you and advancing this company?
Yeah, so we've got a great board made up of a couple of people from North America, given our TSX listing, and Australians. A very good, skilled board that's got finance, ESG, geology, legal people on the board. So we've got a very good board, very well balanced in terms of Australian and North American experience, but also experience from exploration all the way to production. So I think we've got a great board that works very well. Our management team are all based here in Perth. Operations, development people, finance people, but also key is our general manager exploration, who's looking after that big portfolio.
Now, you mentioned that you're listed on the TSX, which is based in Canada. Is there any possibility down the track for an ASX listing? And why is a TSX listing so valuable to the company?
Yeah, so the TSX listed is really historical from, where the company originally formed from Quentin Henge and his, position in Novo and creating Novo. So it's a very historical position there. We always explore the options of whether the ASX has a role to play for us in our future strategy. So whilst we don't have a landing on that, it's something we'll continue to look at. I doesn't think it matters much at the moment, the ASX and the TSX. We're struggling in terms of market and commodities, but we'll keep looking at that opportunity.
Now, tell us a little bit about what's next on the cards for Novo Resources.
Yeah, so if we come back to exploration, as I said, 11,000 square kilometres, we spend around about $20 million a year on exploration. So that's a big spend for a junior, but we've got such a large portfolio. Like everyone else, we've got a lot of projects that are at the mature level, soil anomalies, etc. But we do have two primary priority targets, one in gold and one in nickel. So I'll quickly just cover that. On gold, Becher is our target. Once we get through heritage surveying, we hope to be drilling Becher around about late July, August. The important things about Becher, particularly for Australian people who understand this, it's on the same structural corridor as the Hemi project. It's part of De Grey. And if we all know, that whole Hemi project and Malina project for De Grey is worth about 9 to 10 million ounces. So we're very excited about Becher. From the soil anomalies, a very exciting target with similar potential, we hope, that De Grey has seen. And then in the Western Pilbara, kind of south of Azura's handover project, which is again ASX listed, we're in the same structural corridor as the Andover project, and we've got strong nickel targets, and we hope to be drilling those in July and August. So they're our big key exploration leverages going forwards.
Well, it's good to get an update from you. There's obviously a lot of ground to cover in this region. Mike, thanks for your time today.
Not a problem, and please keep looking at our news flow as we come through. If you're in Australia, it's still easy to invest on the TSX. Thanks very much.
Fantastic. Thank you.